Okay, welcome to Investor Series where we are going to talk about
market update,
ways to grow your wealth.
and how the benefits from investment.
Welcome back to our weekly market update. My name is Shahid.
And my name is Fairuzee. So we are going to update you on what is happening in the market right now. So Shahid, what is happening right now in the market? What is the index for S&P 500?
Okay, so if you wake up today in the morning and check the S&P 500 chart, it is red in color.
Yes.
Okay, and the number is 7,365.
So
Okay,
it went
and
down,
maybe
right?
it went down. So to give some context, a few days ago it was 7,500. Now it is 7,365.
So it is down, I think, by a few percentage, and it might be worrying for people. But how are you feeling, Shahid, about this?
Okay, so if you ask me, maybe a few years ago, I will feel worried. Okay, looking at the red chart, looking at the numbers. But now I'm feeling a bit more excited.
Yes, yeah, because our investors who are not yet investing can actually come in and buy at a discount. So their profit will be easier to achieve when it is at a low price. Right.
Yeah.
So, of course, all of you are wondering, how is this happening? Why is it down? Okay, so Shahid, why do you think that the market is down?
Okay, so I give you the simplest reason for that. Then maybe later on you can share more
Okay.
complicated example.
Okay.
So the simpler reason why is because people or investors are taking profit
Yeah.
from their investment portfolio.
Yes. Correct.
I mean, looking at the market for the last few weeks or last 2 months, it has been going up quite decent, and the profit who have been doing who have managed their portfolio recently they are profiting quite a lot.
Yeah.
And so people are cashing out their profits.
So when
And
people sell off their stocks, the index goes down in the sense, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. I
Yeah,
think
so that's the
that's a
simpler
good.
reason why.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will pass the stage to Mr. Fairuzee lah.
Yeah. Okay. So another reason why people or the stocks, especially tech stocks, technology stocks, is going down is because people are questioning. Take note here, people are just questioning why the tech companies are spending a lot in the AI structure, which means equals to they are still questioning the AI boom, the AI trend, artificial intelligence. Is it working? Is it sustainable or not? So people are worried on that. Okay, and that is why they are taking a handbrake on whether they're going to buy, they're going to, still invest in these AI stocks. Means that they are a bit of fearful on the AI trend and which includes into technology stocks lah basically. Okay, so here we also hear the news that the companies are taking debt in order for them to buy in the AI structure. So this also cause some concern. Okay, if they are taking debt, so does it mean that if there is an interest rate hike, it will affect their profits lah basically. So there is also the part where there is some uncertainty on interest rate hike. Is it going to go up? Is it going to stay, or is it going to be cut? So there is this concern because Kevin Walsh haven't made any statement for that, right? The Federal Reserve. So all of this resulted into people having that pessimism, having that fear, and hence they sell off or they do not buy in more lah. So it goes down. Okay, so
How does
yeah.
I have one question.
Yeah.
How does rate affect the company's profit?
So because if they took on more debt to sustain this AI infrastructure in the sense in their companies, right? So if there's interest rate hike, means that they will have to pay more interest to cover their debt. So that more interest will be cutting into the profits. Okay, and adding on to that, what if this is all what if? What if the AI structure or the AI is not sustainable? Then how? You have to pay more interest. Then the what we call here the AI is just what we call here maybe a crash. There will be a crash. So that instill more fear into the investors lah. Yeah. So Shahid, having hearing all of this, will you still invest in technology?
Definitely yes,
Mm.
because looking at our lifestyle,
Mm.
we still rely a lot and heavily on tech.
Mm. Yes.
Despite the AI worry, um, every on a daily basis we are using more and more AI
Yes.
and more new technologies.
Mm.
Okay, so whether you want it or not, technology as of now we can't run from it.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and since we need it, that's why we still can invest in technology.
Yes, correct. And also, in technology too, in this AI, okay, it is important to us. Will we still use it in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? If it is, then why not invest in it? Because it's still relevant in our life. Okay, I have one moment. I know for sure that the tech stock will go up when
What is that?
earnings go the report for the earnings will be published. If the earnings is good, then definitely it will shoot up. If it is the earnings is not that good, then it will go down, which is of course because earnings is a fundamental of the economy. Yeah, so
Mhm.
those who have technology stock, please do not panic. Okay, just stay invested, and this is an opportunity for new investors, right? So I think we move on to our next segment, which is about energy. Yeah. So
Mhm.
for energy, as we all know, the Strait of Hormuz might be opening, and the war is subsiding. I would say not ending, but it's subsiding. So this
Mhm.
caused the price of oil to actually go down. Okay, and this is actually for everyone who have energy stocks or energy fund. Please do monitor and start to look into other assets, because if you look at historical performance after a war, oil price will always goes down. When oil price goes down, energy fund will be affected and will go down also to normal price. Not really normal, but at least in an average price lah. So this will
Mhm.
affect what we call here the energy company, okay, or oil company. So take note of that. All right. So Shahid, what's the last segment? Our last segment.
Okay, our last segment will be about something that people like to talk about,
Yes,
which is gold.
gold. Correct.
Yes,
Yeah.
gold. So, gold. When we talk about gold, people thought. Okay, one thing about gold, people thought that is really really safe,
Hmm.
100% safe.
Hmm.
And gold will surely make you money.
Hmm.
Okay, I mean it's not totally right. Because gold does fluctuate
Hmm. Yes, correct.
up and down,
Yes.
and especially now, the
Hmm.
gold price is going down a
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So last year, gold is very exciting. I
Yes.
think starting from around July,
Yes.
the price of gold
Yeah.
slowly goes up and up and up and up and up and up, and now it slowly, it slowly go down.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is something that we need to understand that gold can drop in price.
Yes. Yeah. So
Mm.
it's not just about, is gold is something that is natural, so confirm it will go up. No, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. And the reason being why I want every gold investor to monitor the situation is because it has been going down for maybe around 3 weeks, 1 month, around there. And I'm not seeing any what we call here any reason why it should go back up, because if the war is ending, then why would people buy into gold? Because one of the reasons people buy into gold, because they are scared of the system collapsing and everything. So they naturally go into a natural asset, which is gold commodity, right? That's one. So now the war is ending, all right, and then we are looking at the technology stocks where it has been going up. So usually when technology or equities goes up, commodities goes down. Reason being is because people will want to take into consideration or or jump on the bandwagon of the increasing price of stocks. So rather than staying with gold, why not we buy into companies? And if there is an interest rate hike, that doesn't make it better. If there is an interest rate hike, people will opt for buying into bonds that
Bonds.
is confirmed to have returns, and that return is higher due to the interest rate hike, then they will sell off their gold and buy into the bonds lah. So that's why right now I'm really cautious for my investors investing in gold, because looking at the situation, I don't see gold profiting from any situation going up lah. And take note here for everyone, gold going up to this stage is already a wonder. It's already a, people may say, a miracle. It's going up so much, going against the flow of the market. The market is going up, the gold is still going up. So now it's going down, and I don't see any reason why when it will go up or why it can go up. So I'm a bit cautious. But of course, again, we are not forecasters. We do not predict the future. We are just positioning ourselves such that if gold goes down, so example, I mentioned to Shahid, of course, if gold goes down at a certain amount, I'll go in. But right now, the amount that it went down, it doesn't entice me so much. It's still a long way to go going down. So for gold investors, please be careful. Any thoughts on this, Shahid?
Yeah, I mean, we are not saying that you don't invest in gold at all.
Yes.
Okay, but we want to be strategic with our allocation.
Yes.
Okay, so I mean, at the end of the day, what we want from investment is we want to gain as much as possible. Okay, so choosing the allocation properly is very important.
Yes.
And if we see that gold may not give us the return in the next few months, then probably the option is to put gold aside for a while.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So because gold right now, yeah, like I mentioned, I don't know how it can go up. The only way is down. And it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a good thing because it makes the price, realistic lah. Because right now the price of gold is unrealistic. Yeah. So this is where we need you to be wary lah. So all of the equities or all of the segments that we are sharing with you is actually going down. Technology going down. Energy might be going down and has been going down, but might be going down more. Gold has been going down and is down. Okay, so this is not necessarily a bad thing. This is just something that what we call here, we monitor. And amongst these three, Shahid, which one will you go in?
Definitely technology.
Technology lah. For me, it's also technology. Energy, at a certain price point, I will go in. Yeah, gold at a certain price point, but I think amongst these three, for me, I will choose technology, then energy, then gold. How about you, Shahid?
Yeah. Yes, the same.
Same, right? So yeah.
Then how are you feeling? I'm feeling excited. How about yourself? With the current situation?
I'm feeling excited. Okay, but not as excited because the technology fund is already high lah. So for me, I'm actually looking into Asia, looking into other parts. A tip to everyone: Singapore fund is stable for now lah. Singapore fund is stable, so you can look into Singapore funds and Singapore companies. Okay, so I'm excited, but I am also looking for other opportunities to be stable. In other words, I would say that my attack has been good. My defense, however, they are lucky that the attack is good. So if you are talking about a football match, right? I have been winning 10-5. I scored 10, they score 5. I scored 11, they score 7. So that's how we have been winning. But I'm just worried if my attack is not good, then I need to find a good defense. So right now I'm excited for the attack, but the attack has been good. So I'm not surprised.
Not to worry about the defense.
Yeah, 15, 17. I'm very happy, and I'm not surprised. Okay, but I'm really worried for my defense. Gold has been my defense, is going down. Energy has been my defense, is going down. Um, I'm exploring other options for my defense. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So again, for everyone, we want to promote again our portfolio check. Okay, please, if you have your investment, you do not know. 80% of people, okay, do not know what they invest in. If we ask you, what are you investing now? What funds are you investing now? What sector are you investing now? They do not know. How many funds you are investing now? Even that people do not know. So we are here, Shahid and me. We are having this campaign, portfolio check, where you can DM us, you can DM our investor series Instagram. Then one of us will actually contact you and we will talk about your event. That's it. The main point is to know what you invest in. We will share with you what you invest in, then you can plan better for what is forward, moving forward. Yeah. Okay, so please do contact us, me or Shahid or the investor series Instagram. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
anything else, Shahid?
I think that's all. Yeah, so keep invested and stay calm.
Yeah, don't panic and take the opportunity. All right. So thank you all very much. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.